Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase passive income with Venmo, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what passive income is and how it can benefit you. Explore Venmo as a tool for generating passive income. Create a Venmo account if you don't already have one. Link your Venmo account to your bank account for easy transactions. Consider using Venmo to sell digital products, such as ebooks or online courses. Set a fair price for your digital products to encourage sales. Utilize social media platforms to promote your offerings. Share your Venmo link to facilitate easy payments. Create exclusive content or services for your followers. Consider starting a subscription model using Venmo for recurring payments. Engage with your audience to build trust and a loyal customer base. Encourage customers to refer friends by offering a referral bonus. Explore the option of affiliate marketing by sharing products or services you trust. Share your Venmo link alongside your affiliate links for easy access. Invest time in creating valuable content that showcases your expertise. Develop a blog or website to drive traffic to your Venmo offerings. Utilize email marketing to reach out to your audience with new updates or promotions. From time to time, run limited time offers to create urgency. Monitor your Venmo transactions regularly to evaluate your income flow. Refine your strategies based on what works best for your audience. Keep track of your income generated through Venmo for future planning. Always ensure compliance with any financial regulations in your area. Be open to adapting your methods as market trends evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.